Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I have a rather quick video for you. I am doing an unboxing of the M2 Macbook Air. This particular one is the base model. So yeah, it's just going to be a very quick unboxing. Please note guys, I'm not a tech reviewer and I'm not going to go into all the specs and everything. I'm doing this strictly for views on YouTube. Please, I feel like I need to be honest about that. This is my old MacBook, the MacBook Pro, the Intel one, which I think I shot the video when I bought this one like many years ago, and it's still a workhorse. Like, it performs really well, but I was like, I should just unbox this one and, you know, see how it looks like. So since I'm getting everything new, let me stop talking. Okay, so this is what it looks like in the box. You can see this is how it comes, like with a nylon wrap and everything. I'm just gonna open it right now. So it's always fun opening a new Apple product. Okay. Sheesh, so clean. Apple is just a very nice brand. I don't know. Everybody just loves Apple. Apple too. They love themselves. What am I saying? Okay, so this is it. And this is going to be first looks. Shoosh, so smooth. Alright, so it is the midnight black color, midnight black. This is what it looks like. And then we have this, which is the paperwork. Just a little manual. Where's the stickers? Sure, definitely. Black stickers, manual, charger, charging cable. So it comes with charging cable. That's MagSafe charging cable, and then the power brick itself. So those are the only things that you get inside the box, and that's all you get for the box. Now here is the moment of truth. It's always nice. Oh, it feels so cold to the touch. It's really, really nice. So let's open it. Okay. And then just gonna slide it out like this. Sir. Okay, so you can see, I feel like this is the only time it's going to be at its cleanest, because if you've read anything about it, people say it's a very big fingerprint magnet. So you can see it has already started getting the smudges. Even though my hands are quite clean, smudges are already coming, but look at how beautiful it looks on the outside. Now let us open it. I don't know if you guys can see this. Hopefully you can see this. Woo! That's the paper on the screen. Yay! That's it right there. It's such a beauty. So clean, so cold, so nice. So it has the MagSafe ports, the two USB-C on this side, and then one headphone jack on this side. I got this because I have really moved my workflow to like a different like setup, so I don't really need to do that much on the laptop, right? That's the reason why I didn't go for the Pro. I did get a Pro before, but I felt like that was gonna be too much for me. I don't know. Let me not like jinx myself. So I just want to actually use this for a while, see if it will fit everything that I want to do. And yeah, I don't think I needed to spend that much money. Like, the money I would have spent on the Pro, I'll probably use it to get a different laptop and give it like a family member or something. So yeah, that's it. That's just the video. This one, I don't know what I'm going to do with it. For now, it's going to sit here till I decide to either trade it in or get or just give it like to a family member. But yes, that's the video. I'm so happy with the new MacBook. So it's time to just go set it up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you actually enjoyed this short unboxing, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.